Yes, this is triangle because it has three sides, and this one is a triangle because it has also three sides. Okay, and they are closed figure. Yes, and this is equilateral triangle. Yes, this is equilateral triangle because all sides are same. Okay, but this is आइसोसेल, इसके दो भुजाएं बराबर हैं, तीसरा छोटा है, क्योंकि भुजाओं के आधार पर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड्स एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल्स देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ triangles. These are quadrilaterals. Okay, because it has four sides. Okay, yes, and you know this is square. Okay, and you can say this is parallelogram or rhombus. Okay, yes, on the basis of sides के आधार पर बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर angles, this angles and this angles are same, and this angle and this angle are same. Okay, ये कोण आपस में opposites angles are same. Similarly यहाँ भी opposite angles are same and opposite sides are same. Okay, opposite sides are same in this case, ये भी same है, लेकिन सोचने की बात ये है, yes, angles are here angles are 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, but you cannot tell that these are equal angles. ये equal angles नहीं है. ओके, इसीलिए ये स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल नहीं है. ओके, ये आप आगे की कक्षाओं में पढ़ेंगे. यस, दिस इज पेंटागन, दिस वन इज आल्सो अ पेंटागन, बट in this case you know all angles and all sides are same. This is equal to this, all sides are equal because we have taken same matchsticks. ठीक है, हमने वही matchsticks लिया है बराबर का. ओके, यस, similarly here all sides are same but all angles are different. Okay, this is the difference between this figure and this figure. Okay, yes, so this is called regular pentagon and it is called pentagon. Okay, because this regular pentagon has equal sides and equal angles. Okay, similarly you can say in this case of regular hexagon. Okay, and this is hexagon. Okay, yes, regular hexagon has equal sides and equal angles. इंटरनल एंगल्स, यहाँ पर बात इंटरनल एंगल की हो रही है, यहाँ बाहर की एक्सटर्नल एंगल्स की बात नहीं हो रही. ये दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरनल एंगल. ओके, दिस वन, यस, दिस इज इंटरनल एंगल. ओके, all internal angles are equal and all sides are equal. So this is a regular hexagon. There are 6 sides, so it is called as regular hexagon. Okay, some खटभुज, ठीक है, और ये खटभुज तो है, इसमें 6 भुजाएं तो हैं और सारी भुजाएं सेम हैं, इसमें सारी भुजाएं सेम हैं, लेकिन इनके एंगल्स अलग अलग हैं. ठीक है, यस, दिस इज regular heptagon. Okay, yes, because it has 7 sides. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 sides and 7 angles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all angles are same and all sides are same in regular heptagon. Okay, but in this case you can see all sides are same. Okay, but all angles are not same. Okay, so you can say that if figure is regular then all sides and all angles are same. Okay, in that figure, उस पिक्चर के अंदर के सारे एंगल, सारे कोण बराबर होंगे और उसके साइड्स भी बराबर होंगे, तभी वो रेगुलर पिक्चर होगा, सम भुज होगा. ठीक है, रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन यानी कि रेगुलर हेप्टागन, रेगुलर नोनागन, रेगुलर डेकागन, रेगुलर हेक्सागन, रेगुलर पेंटागन, सम पंचभुज, सम खटभुज, सम सप्तभुज, ठीक है, जो भी आप बोलिए वो सारी चीज़, समत्रिभुज, समचतुर्भुज, ठीक। You know that a equilateral triangle has equal angles and equal sides, so all angles are same. So this angle will be, suppose that this angle is A, B, angle C. Angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Okay, because all sides are same and a triangle has 180 degree. Okay, total sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. You know this is, so in this case this angle and this angle and this angle, sum of this angle and this angle will be 180 degree. okay, इसका भी 180 degree होगा. okay, this is a regular polygon, so all angles are same in this figure. okay, yes, this one will be 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree. okay, and sum of all angles in a square is equal to the 360 okay degree. yes, okay, yes, plus similarly this plus this plus this plus this is equal to the 360 degree. okay, yes, in this case we know all angles are same. okay, because it is regular pentagon. okay, yes, and you can calculate the all angles because this is a triangle and triangle have 180 degree. This one is triangle and this one is a rectangle or trapezium. okay, and it has 360 degree. okay, 360 plus 180, yes, 0 and 14 and 540 degree. okay, sum of all angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to the 540 degree. okay, means each angle will be 540 divided by 5. okay, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja 40. okay, yes, each angle will be 108 degree. okay, yes, 108 degree. This will be 108, this will be 108, this will be 108, this will be 108, this will be 108 degree plus 108 degree plus 108 degree plus 108 degree plus 108 degree. okay, 5 times, add 5 times, then you will get, yes, 8 5 ja 40 and 4 and 5. okay, 540 degree. each angles will be 108 degree, 108 okay, yes. This is another method. You can divide it into 3 triangles. okay, 1 2 3 and 4, sorry, there are 4 triangles and you can tell one triangle has 180 degree, so sum of all is equal to all angles will be, yes, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree. okay, 18 4 ja 72. okay, yes, 720 degree. okay, 720 degree is divided by, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 because there are 6 angles and 6 sides. 6 1 ja 6. okay, 6 2 ja 12 and 6 0 ja. okay, each angles will be 120 degree. okay, each angles will be, yes, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree. okay, yes, 120 degree multiplied by 720 degree. Okay, sum of this angle plus 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 this angle will be is equal to 720 डिग्री. ओके, इसका भी 720 डिग्री होगा, इसका भी 720 डिग्री होगा. ओके, यस, यू विल गेट 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Yes, first triangle, second triangle, third, fourth and fifth. You can get here 5 triangles. Okay, so sum of all angles. Okay, sum of all angles in heptagon will be, yes, 18 5 90 means 900. Okay, 900 degree is divided by 7. 7 1 7. Okay, 7 1 7 and 2 0. 7 2 14. Okay, and 6 0. 7 8 56 and 4 by 7 degree. Okay, 128 and 4 by 7 degree. Okay, yes, each angle will be, yes, each angle will be, this angle will be 128 degree, 128 and 4 by 7 degree. This one is 128 and 4 by 7 degree. This one is, and this one is, and this one is, and this one is, and this one is. Okay, all 7 angles will be equal to 128 and 4 by 7 degree. Okay, yes, similarly sum of this angle plus this plus this plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be equal to 900. Okay, 900. Okay, yes.